All right, today we're going to be making a light bottle out of this Kraken rum bottle. Very cool. I just like the way it looks. I love the label, the little features here. But what we're going to do first is we're going to have to drill a hole in the back. And as you can see, this kind of got some grooves in here. Usually this is smooth, so I'm going to start up right here and take a diamond tip bit and drill through the bottom so we can put the electrical in. So let's get started. Now, if you intend to showcase the label on your bottle, you're going to want to protect it. Now, since we're going to be drilling it out in the sink, we're going to use water over it to keep the drill bit nice and cool. So all I'm doing is putting it in a bag and sealing it up with some tape. To make a hole in the back of the bottle, we're going to be using one of these. We're going to be using this guy. What these are, they're special diamond tip blades that are strictly for glass. I got a set of 4 here at the local Home Depot for, I think I got them for like $14. But they work really, really well. And I'm going to show you that right now. It is now dry, as you can see. The label is nice and smooth and intact. Looks great. What we want to do is we want to focus on the back hole there. And it's glass. There could be shards here, so we want to make sure that it's nice and smooth before we put any kind of electrical in there. So I've got a sanding block. I'm just going to take it in there. Just kind of roll it around. Kind of test it out. And that should be good. All right, before we get started, let's take a look at the Creative Hobbies kit that I picked up on Amazon. From the bottom, we've got some rubber adapters, then we've got some of the connectors, we have the actual electrical assembly, you've got the wiring, and then over here, if you had a larger lamp project, you would use those. The lampshade I've got, you can see it's rounded. Take a better look there. And what this does, this is actually going to sit down on top of the bottle head, so we don't actually need the finial and the lamp part. All right, we're going to start out running the electrical here. I'll run it through the back end of the hole we drilled. This might take a little snaking to do in here. It should go up in there. All right, now that we've got it threaded through, we're going to need to close this hole up here. What I've done, I've got my little hot glue gun, and I'm going to just kind of go around here and sort of build it up. And this is what it'll look once it's dry and sealed up and prepares us for the next step. I want to kind of spruce up the lamp. It's clear, obviously, and I want it to have a little more refined look, so I'm going to fill it with some gravel rock. It's actually aquarium gravel, and you can get about almost 3 times as much for less a bag than you can at your local hobby store. So the fun part is going to be getting all of them in there. So it's going to take some time. All right, now that our bottle is ready, we're going to start with the assembly. So we're going to go back to the little gasket we had earlier where we put the little nut on the side here. I'm going to do that face down. I'm going to run our wires through here, like so. And we're going to push the gasket all the way down to it's nice and flush, like that. Then we'll take this little cap here with the edges down, thread that through. I'm just going to sit there on top like that. And then we're going to take this little guy, socket cap. You can put that through here, and we're going to screw that down until it's nice and tight. Now, We're going to take this little guy here apart. You can see the screws up underneath, but we're going to push the assembly out of it. Like that. Little cardboard sleeve here, and we can push the assembly out. That way we can access the screws. Alright, it will tell you in the instructions which is which. There's a smooth side and there's a rough side that's got some lettering etched in onto the wiring. So, and it tells you which one to put on there. So I'm going to screw those down real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I've got them attached, you can see it's kind of loose. You're going to take your cardboard sleeve, you're going to line it back over the threads here, push it down, take the outer cover, do the same thing. It's got some ridges on the side here, and all you're going to do is just kind of push down, rock it a little bit, and it will lock in place, like so. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this fun little project. Please help us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel. Take care and God bless. We'll see you on the next one.